When I think of the mattress brand Nectar, I instantly think of their soft, pressure-relieving memory foam mattresses. But they also offer hybrid beds that mimic their core memory foam line, including their most popular bed, the Nectar Premier. So let's see if this hybrid bed holds up to its foam sibling. As I previously mentioned, the Nectar Premier is the brand's most popular mattress. This bed comes in either a memory foam or hybrid option, but for this review, I'll be testing the hybrid version. The brand recently remodeled their core mattresses, so this bed has a new make and model compared to its predecessor. The Nectar Premier is a 13-inch tall hybrid mattress that combines therapeutic memory foam and individually encased coils, so sleepers get the bodily support that they need, as well as the added pressure relief. This bed in particular is also made with 60% more cooling fibers and double the amount of pressure relieving memory foam than the brand's flagship mattress, the Nectar Classic. These beds were also made with a breathable cooling cover that is meant to be moisture wicking and help regulate body temperature. However, I personally didn't think the cover was cool to the touch. This bed is slightly softer than the industry standard and is more plush than the Nectar Classic. But even though this bed is plush, my body still felt supported and I didn't feel like I was sinking into the mattress. The coils in this mattress also help make this bed incredibly responsive and bouncy. This bed is so bouncy, in fact, I had to recreate a WWE wrestling move with my colleague.
And his name is John C.
A huge selling point in these newly remodeled mattresses is that they no longer contain any fiberglass in its construction. The old mattresses contain the use of fiberglass, which caused some concern with sleepers. This bed also comes with free shipping, a year trial period, and an impressive lifetime warranty. And don't forget that if you use our coupons linked below, you can save a lot of moolah on this mattress. So now let's get into the testing. A lot of factors can influence whether or not a mattress may work for you, including your body type and sleep style. As a back sleeper myself, I was very comfortable on this mattress. Again, my hips did sink in more than the rest of my body, but I still felt supported and on top of the mattress. It also helped provide great pressure relief around my lower back. We usually recommend stomach sleepers a firmer mattress to ensure their hips remain lifted and spine aligned. But even though this bed is soft and plush, my hips and body still felt supported and lifted while I was sleeping on my stomach. Even though I am a back sleeper, I felt the most comfortable on my stomach, which I was pleasantly surprised by. And finally, this bed offers a decent amount of sinkage around the shoulders and hips, making this a good option for side sleepers. However, these sleepers with more sensitive joints may need a mattress that offers more cushioning. And since this bed is incredibly responsive, it is super easy for combination sleepers to switch easily between the different sleeping positions. And finally, this bed should work for most sleepers. However, heavier sleepers who weigh over 250 pounds may sink further into the bed and may feel the coils press up against their body. The feel of a mattress is one thing. It's a whole other thing to see how your body physically responds and reacts to it, which is why we like to use the pressure map as our tool to visually see how pressure builds across our body when we lay on the mattress. You're going to want to see low pressure around your back, hips, and shoulders if you sleep on your side or back. And overall, these are great results. There was barely any pressure buildup on my back, which is a huge plus if you suffer from chronic back pain like me. There was a little bit more pressure buildup around my shoulders and hips, but that's normal when you rest on your side. Again, as I mentioned previously, if you are a side sleeper with more sensitive joints, you may need a softer bed that cradles you. And next up is our edge support test. This test tells us how well the perimeter of the bed can bear weight. So ideally, you don't want to feel like the bed is collapsing underneath you when you sit or lie along the edge of the mattress. To start the test, I sat and laid along the edge of the bed, and I did feel pretty supported. I didn't feel like I was going to slip off, but I do want to note that I could feel the coils and grip them when I was getting in and out of the bed. This is why I think heavier sleepers may feel the coils more against their body when they rest on this bed. This is also something that folks with mobility issues should keep in mind as well. But I also want to note that I also felt pretty supported when I was sitting on the corner of this bed. These results tell me this bed could be a decent option for couples and folks with mobility issues. And next up is our cooling test. So for this, we like to use our handy dandy thermal heat gun, which is going to measure how much body heat this mattress absorbs. First, I take the surface temperature of the mattress by itself using our thermal heat gun, and then I'll take the temperature a second time after resting on the bed for a few minutes. And after laying on the bed, this mattress had increased a little more than 6 degrees, which is a fantastic result. Even though I personally didn't think this bed's cover was cool to the touch, you can tell this bed feels airy and breathable thanks to the cooling properties built in, as well as the coils. So this bed should work pretty well for most hot sleepers. The brand Nectar is already known for their affordable prices, but with this remodeling, let's see exactly how much this mattress will cost you. Right now, you can get a queen-size Nectar Premier Hybrid mattress for a little over $1,000 with the use of our coupons. This bed comes in 7 sizes total, and the other prices will vary by size. And now that you heard my thoughts on the Nectar Premier Hybrid, the newly remodeled version, I want to recap it going over who I think would like this mattress and who I suggest passing on it. First up, I think this bed is a good pick for. This bed is perfect for most back and stomach sleepers. Due to its strong edge support system and how good the cooling properties are, this bed can also be a solid option for couples, and couples should also enjoy just how bouncy this bed is. And since this bed is incredibly responsive, this mattress is also a great option for combination sleepers. And here is who I would suggest consider a different bed. I wouldn't recommend this bed for sleepers who weigh over 250 pounds because they'll probably sink far into the bed and feel the coils. And finally, side sleepers with more sensitive joints may need a bed that offers more cushioning around those sensitive areas. And there you have it, my thoughts on the newly remodeled Nectar Premier Hybrid mattress. Which model do you prefer, memory foam or hybrid? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want more information about this mattress, head over to sleepopolis.com for a full in-depth written review. And again, if you want to score a fantastic deal on this mattress, use our coupons linked below. Now tap that like button, subscribe, and I will see you here for the next mattress review.